Hello everyone, welcome to TechTipsQuik. Is the screen on your favorite mobile Apple device frozen, black, or is it stuck zoomed in? This is how to fix that. What you need to do is a hard restart. It won't delete any of your data or any information stored on your device. It is exactly the same as shutting down your device and turning it right back on. The screen is not required for any hard restart. On the iPhone X, iPhone 8, and 8 Plus, press and immediately release the volume up button. Do the same for the volume down button. Next, hold down the side or off button until the Apple logo appears, which means the iPhone is booting up. With the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the side or off button and the volume down button for at least 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. On an iPad, iPod Touch, or iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold the home button and the side or off button at the same time for at least 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. If the problem persists, try again. If that doesn't work, plug the device in for an hour. Make sure the device is fully plugged in. The jack, USB cable, or power block may be broken, so try it with a different charger. If that doesn't fix the issue, contact Apple support for help. But if your device turns on but gets stuck during the startup, try connecting it to a computer, then running the hard restart again. If you don't have a computer, try borrowing one or using one from your local library. If that isn't available, go to an Apple store or your service provider for help. The information in this video is from the Apple website, link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day!